How to use a pallet to drag weeds. Wooden pallets lend themselves to a host of alternative uses. Although they are designed primarily for stacking products for easy relocation in warehouses, and for rapid shipping, they have been used for a host of other uses. Temporary fencing, snow barriers, temporary shelters, and even landscaping. The thin boards on wooden pallets work well for removing surface weeds by adding weight to the pallet and then dragging it across the landscape. To use a pallet for the successful removal of weeds, some of the drag produced by the pallet must be removed. Things you'll need: hammer with nail pulling claw, crowbar, electric drill, 2-inch hole saw, metal chain with hooks on each end, 12 feet in length minimum, 4 large masonry bricks type with 2 holes in center if possible, 4-wheel all-terrain vehicle, recreational vehicle or tractor lawn mower with towing mechanism on back. Reduce the drag of the wooden pallet by removing the center boards on one side. After removing the boards, there should be only 1 or 2 boards on that side, near the ends of the pallet. To remove the boards, use a crowbar to pry up the ends to expose enough length on the nail heads so they can be pulled easily. Use the claw of a hammer to remove the nails. The boards may be kept for other uses or discarded. Drill a 2-inch hole through the center support board running through the middle of the pallet. The hole should be drilled 6 inches from the end of the center support board. To drill the hole, connect a hole saw to an electric drill, then drill through the board. The standard size of most pallets will make it possible to place the full length of the drill between the top and bottom boards, but if you have difficulty, turn the pallet over so the side where boards were removed is facing upward. This will provide easier access to drill the hole. Set the pallet at the beginning point on the ground where it will be dragged to remove the weeds. Place the pallet so the side with the removed boards is facing downward against the ground. Set 4 large masonry bricks on top of the pallet, 1 on each corner for added weight. Pass the end of a chain through the hole drilled through the center support board and slide the hook over one of the links in the chain to complete connection of the chain to the pallet. Back an ATV, tractor lawnmower or pickup truck until close enough that the chain can be attached to the vehicle. This could be done with a frame member on the lawnmower, a tow bar, a bumper, or a hitch ball. Wrap the chain around the metal and then connect the hook to a link in the chain to complete the connection of the chain to the vehicle. Place the vehicle being used into the lowest possible gear, and gently allow it to pull forward until the chain is taut between the vehicle and the pallet. Apply small amounts of acceleration until the pallet begins to move across the soil. Continue dragging the pallet until reaching the other end of the desired area. Clear weeds and accumulated soil from the pallet, disconnect the chain and remove the bricks. Carry the pallet to the beginning of the next section that is to be weeded and perform this process repeatedly until the desired area is free of weeds. Tips: warnings. Keep all pets and human beings at least 100 feet away from the area of operation. Should the chain or pallet break, pieces of wood or metal may cause severe injury to anyone nearby. Avoid pulling forward with the vehicle abruptly, which can cause the chain to yank. Since the pallet is made of wood, it can be easily damaged by the chain if such abrupt movement is allowed.